Welcome back, beauty enthusiasts, to our channel. Today we're unlocking the secrets of all-natural homemade beauty products. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest beauty revelations. So, let's glow up. First on our list is a DIY moisturizing face mask. Combine 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 mashed avocado, and a splash of almond oil. Stir until you achieve a smooth consistency. Apply this mixture to your face and leave it for about 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water and witness your skin radiate with hydration. Next, we have a natural hair mask for luscious locks. Take equal parts of coconut oil and mashed banana. Massage this blend into your hair and scalp. Cover your hair with a shower cap and let it sit for half an hour. Rinse it out and be prepared for soft, shiny hair that's sure to turn heads. Now refresh your skin with a DIY toner. Brew a cup of green tea and let it cool. Add a tablespoon of witch hazel to the tea and mix well. Pour this into a spray bottle and spritz it onto your face for a refreshing, natural toner that will leave your skin feeling revitalized. For our fourth DIY, we're going to make an energizing coffee scrub. Combine ground coffee, coconut oil, and a dash of cinnamon. Use this concoction to gently exfoliate your body in circular motions and then rinse off. You'll be left with skin that's not only smooth but invigorated. Lastly, we'll make a natural lip balm. Combine beeswax, coconut oil, and a hint of your favorite essential oil. Melt these ingredients together, pour into small containers, and let it cool. You're now ready for a pout that's soft and kissable. So there you have it, your guide to DIY all-natural beauty products that can elevate your skincare and haircare routine. Try these out, and remember to share your favorite in the comments section. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Until next time, stay beautiful. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. Can't wait to see you in the next video.